We're gonna take care of our skin. My skin has been a little bit sensitive recently, so I'm not gonna apply like a mask or anything, but I do need to take care of my acne. Right there. I always start off with the Laneige Cream Skin because my skin is dry and I always get dry patches. This is Laneige's Lip Sleeping Mask in Berry. This is CeraVe's Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Oh, this is for normal to dry skin, by the way. I'm using these too. Even though I'm not going outside, I still like to apply a little bit of makeup. The weather was really nice that day, so I decided to go out with boba. Let's go. It's so nice outside. So for school, they've been giving us a lot of work, so our principal decided to take off Wednesdays as a work day, but like no one's really gonna do that, and I already finished all my work, so I didn't have anything to do that day. Goodbye. Ha! Oh, I didn't get it. I'm also going to use this time just to finish up with some things I need to do, such as laundry. What, Abigail? Is your bok choy? Growing bok choy! That night I made dinner. I'm making crispy tofu, and yeah, I love cooking and baking, so this is a lot of fun. Then of course, after we're all finished, I like to clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. I just like to plan out my day for tomorrow, and then I just think a lot. Kind of funny, but it works out. While I was watching my drama, I decided to fold my laundry just so I could be more productive. Hi guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you guys stay safe.